Hello, my good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending with your time. I am Regina Joseph from Kenya in Africa. To my subscribers, thank you and may God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, consider by subscribing, and our good God will also bless you. Continue viewing, continue sharing. And today I am in my kitchen. I want to cook supper for my family. Today I've been laid on. I had gone to take my two beautiful girls to the salon. Shanti and Stacy, come and show people how the salonist plaited your hair and say hi to my people. We have taken so long before we uploaded a video, and here we are. You can see the lines. Look at how beautiful they are. And my other daughter, here she is. This one, she can be plaited any style. But for this girl, back to school lines. And you can see our people today, it has rained. We had been rained on. We had water all over our body. But we thank God. And my people, we are so sorry for those who are losing their life. In Kenya, it's raining so heavily. We have lost the lives of the people. May our good God rest their soul in eternal peace. And because you're, as Stacy, as I told you, wherever we have got rain, it's a blessing from God. When there is sun, it's a blessing from God. So we are supposed to appreciate everything that God is doing, and we have to thank Him. And my people, without further ado, and as usual, there is no way I can stay for that long without cooking. I have to cook something. And in this kitchen, we have to eat and eat and eat. Look at what I have here. A basin full of avocado. We have to eat them. And now, today we are going to eat rice. Here is my meat. I've already boiled it. The water is dried. And now the first step. Today we are going to start by cooking our rice. The rice is well selected. So the first step, because I want my rice to be so good, I have boiled some water. This one is the one that I'm going to use to put here. And my people, the first step, I have to clean this. You can see how my rice looks. I love using this. Let me now go next to my sink and clean it so that I can start boiling. I have to look for a sufuria which is deep and hard so that I can cook my rice so well. This one is good for me. We have to wash our rice. Let's clean it. And here comes our rice. You have to clean it first. For the water, you just need to warm it. That one is good for me. Let me now take my sufuria. I'll place it there. We have to wait for it to dry, because when you put cooking oil in a sufuria that has got some water, you'll get burnt. Let me take my cooking stick. My sufuria is well heated. And now I'm going to use my cooking oil. My people, there are so many different methods of cooking rice. We have cooked all of them. We have boiled, we have put onions. Let me put my cooking oil. I have to measure. That one is good. We have to wait for it to heat well. Let me add some salt there. Let me prepare everything. I don't want. Let me now store this. And this is where I put my beans. Let me hide it there. And my people, our cooking oil is heated. So the next step, we are going to put our rice. I will just pour it here. Now we have to keep on turning so that the rice will not stick. Okay, we are now going to put our salt. You have to keep on turning. This is where you have to use your extra energy so that the rice will not stick here. And when you start feeling that it's sticking on your sufuria, that is not the time you're supposed to put your water. You see how our rice looks. You can see the cooking oil. And this is the easiest method because you don't have to put a lot of ingredients. You only need cooking oil and salt. And now because my rice is sticking in my sufuria, I had already measured this water. I'll just pour. You can feel the sound. We have to stir very well. And the reason as to why you have to stir, we want to combine the salt and the cooking oil. Let us now check. We have to check and taste the salt. Yeah. Now we are going to cover our rice. And my people, as you know, we don't need to cook our rice in high flame. So I'm going to exchange my burners. Chantel, unataka nini? Unataka nini? Cartoon? Hi, this daughter of mine in the phone. She do loves it. Go. Let me cook for you. Supper. We are going to exchange the burners. Let me also wipe here because me anytime I'm in the kitchen, mi sijuagi ni nini nakuaga, but I have to pour. Mi wanamwaga vitu. Hey. They have to arrange here. And now, my people, the next step, I want to prepare this. Today, we will be using spring onion. I'll also use my tomatoes. I'll put 3 of them. I am also going to put hoho. I'll also use garlic. And lastly, I'm going to use my carrots. I want to make my soup so thick and sweet. That's why I grate this and put it on my meat. And now let's go direct to the sink. I have to clean them thoroughly so that I can start cutting them. Let me take a plate. I need this. I have to prepare it. And now let me start cleaning this. I have to peel. I'll also put my garlic. And I will also use this. Ingredients that I'm going to use. Let me check my rice. Yeah, it's doing okay. Now it's time for me to reduce the heat. I want my rice to cook slowly. Here comes my meat. My meat is already boiled. And now, my people, today I want to cook wet fry meat. That is what I'll be cooking. And the first step, let me now read my fire. And now let me start cutting my onions. Now it's time for me to put my cooking oil. I want first of all my meat to burn with the cooking oil first. Let me fry my golda. I have to use this because you can see, my people, what I'm talking about. A lot of burns. This one is a burn. You can see this. You can see this. A lot of them. So I have to protect myself by using this. We have to make sure our meat turns brown. So we have to burn them in the cooking oil. Let us leave them like that so that they can burn. Let me finish cutting my spring onions. We have to make sure our meat turns brown. You can see how it is. Hey, my people, nowadays the meat is so little. Imagine this is a 200 shillings meat, and you can see how little it is. Hey, sijui wanapima aje nowadays. You know we are going with the budget. Let's leave it. Let me check my light. It's doing okay. And now my people, you know, if your meat is little and you want it to be a lot, you have to put a lot of onions. My people, look at those onions that I'm going to put on my meat. I want it to taste well, and by making it taste well, I have to put a lot of spring onions. Let me now put them here. Look at how that meat looks well, those spring onions. You can see the green color. You have to keep on turning. Let me leave it as I continue preparing my other ingredients. And now my next ingredient, I'm going to cut my garlic. I will also put this. Let me stir. And now let me prepare my hoho. We are also going to put this. And now, my people, it's time for me to put my salt. I never forget to use this. I cannot forget to use this. You know, when you're cooking your meat and you put this, the meat normally will taste so good. Have to put that. Do that. Watu wangu, angalieni hiyo nyama. Look at that beef meat. Oneni vile inakaa because of the onions. The spring onions normally make it so good. I think my rice is well cooked. Let's check. My people, look at my rice. Look at it. It is well cooked. Our rice is well cooked. Let's turn off. And now, my people, let me start cutting my tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that I'm going to put. You also have to pour them here. Let us stir them here. And now, my people, the last step, I have to grate my carrots. Today I'll be putting my carrots so that my soup will be very thick because we are eating light and we have to eat with soup. So our beef meat, we must cook wet beef meat. And when you're grating carrots for the beef meat, don't use this with the large holes. Use the small one. Like that. I have to keep on turning. Now it's time for me to test the salt, and there is no way I will test my salt without taking a bite. Don't tell me I'm going to finish the meat because it's a 200 shillings meat. Wow! It's so sweet. Let's cover a little and then we're going to turn as I clear here. I also have to wipe here. Your working area must always be neat. Now it's time for me to put the carrot. Look at how our meat is. This is how our meat looks. Now it's time for me to put soup. Lazima tuweke kadufu. You have to stir well to combine everything. We are now going to cover and wait for the meat to boil, and then we are going to serve and eat. My people, I beg you, kindly subscribe for me. You can see how active I am. I like posting videos. I love cooking. Support me by subscribing. Give your friends, give your colleagues to subscribe, and God will bless you. We are road to 900 subscribers. And thank you very much for making me reach 800. Now make me reach 1,000, and I will very, 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 very appreciate. And our good God will continue blessing you. Let's check. Not yet. We are going to wait and then we are going to serve. You know, someone is making me smile there. Anytime I'm in the kitchen, my kids like doing funny things to their faces. That makes me happy. And I am very proud of having my two beautiful girls. Let's now wait for our meat and then we are going to eat. My people, my beef stew is well cooked. And now it's time for me to show you what I have cooked today for my family. This is what we'll be eating tonight. That is my rice. And now, without further ado, let me now serve. You can see how this rice is good. Me, I love covering my food anytime I'm done serving. And here comes my beef stew. Yeah, let me cook soup. As I told you earlier, we are going to eat rice, and there is no way you will eat rice when it's dry. My people, this is what we'll be eating tonight. Let me go direct to my dining table and test what I cooked. My people tell me, who can say Regina Joseph doesn't know how to cook? Look at this rice. Ni kamoja kamoja. Kamoja kamoja, my people. Look at it. You can even eat low without stew. It is so good. And now, this is my stew. And may the Lord bless the food before I eat. In Jesus' name I pray. You know, my people, I had even forgotten to pray because I'm so hungry. I told you that today I had gone to take my daughters to the salon. We have been laid on, I'm telling you, all my clothes were pouring water like this. But we also thank God because of the rain, because we farmers do appreciate wherever it rains. And let me now taste and let me now eat, and then I'm going to tell you how my rice looks, taste. Let me now have a bite. So good. My people, just try cooking this. Wherever you're cooking rice, don't get used to boiling your rice each and every time. You can put your cooking oil, dip your rice, stir it. Ukiona inaanza kushika sufuria, that is not the time for you to add water. Funikia, pimia moto. Pika na moto kidogo and your rice will never disappoint you. When it comes to the beef meat, just use spring onion. Put any other ingredient you want, and don't forget to add gazufu. You have to add soup so that your food will look good and yummy. And my people, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Regina Joseph, and God will bless you. Subscribe. Also hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to see whatever I've posted. And let's now meet tomorrow in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye bye. Mwah. Let me now continue with my food.